How to handle Google BigQuery's 100 megabytes row limit error when inserting large records. Google BigQuery is an excellent tool for handling massive datasets with ease, speed, and flexibility. However, like any other tool, it comes with its own constraints. One such constraint is the 100 megabytes row size limit during data insertion operations. Encountering the cannot query rows larger than 100 megabytes limit error can be challenging, especially when dealing with large records. Here's how you can manage and resolve this issue efficiently. Understanding the error. The error, cannot query rows larger than 100 megabytes limit, emerges when you try to insert or query records larger than 100 megabytes in BigQuery. This limit is designed to maintain system stability and performance. Nevertheless, for datasets that contain particularly large rows, hitting this limit is a common occurrence. Strategies to handle the 100 megabytes row limit. 1. Data partitioning. Divide your large records into smaller, manageable chunks. This involves splitting fields of a large record into multiple smaller records. Ensure that each chunk is below the 100 megabytes threshold. 2. Data flattening. Flatten nested and repeated fields where possible. Nested structures can quickly escalate the size of a single record. Convert them to a more tabular format to reduce row size. 3. Data compression. Though BigQuery supports compressed data handling, consider applying additional compression techniques on individual fields, particularly those holding large amounts of text or binary data. 4. Efficient data types. Opt for efficient data types to store your information. For instance, JSON or arrays can help reduce the row size when used appropriately. 5. Data preprocessing. Preprocess and break down your data before uploading it to BigQuery. Use ETL, extract, transform, load tools to handle this preprocessing phase effectively. 6. Using external storage. Store large objects externally, such as in Google Cloud Storage, and reference these in your BigQuery records. This moves the heavy lifting outside of BigQuery's row size limits. Practical example. Consider a scenario where you have extremely large JSON objects to load into Google BigQuery. Step 1. Flatten and split. Break the JSON object into smaller logical parts, splitting it across multiple rows if necessary. Step 2. Field compression. Apply zip compression to text fields to reduce their size. Step 3. Use external storage reference. Store any bulk text, images, or other large binary objects in Google Cloud Storage and include their URIs in your BigQuery records. Conclusion. Handling the 100 megabytes row limit error in Google BigQuery requires a combination of preprocessing, efficient storage, and strategic data management. While the 100 megabytes limit exists to maintain system integrity and performance, the techniques mentioned can help you work within this constraint and continue leveraging BigQuery's powerful capabilities effectively. With these strategies, you can ensure your data operations remain smooth and efficient even when dealing with substantial datasets.